Hey guys, so I am back with another video. Yes, honey. Today I will be giving you guys my salon tour. I am located in Toronto, Canada, Ontario, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the space that I work in and just giving you guys a small tour, and you guys see how it is. And yeah, if you guys are out here, you guys can come visit me. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe down below, like this video, continue watching, and yeah, I'll be back with another one. But yeah, okay, this door is the side door, so everybody comes like from the side and comes through this door, and then here's the salon. So when you walk in, this is exactly what you see. So this is the walkway. It's like, this is like an accent wall kind of, and it has like hooks for your jackets, and when you continue going straight, you have like the garbage and the sink area. So here's like some of the products that we use around the sink. So just like shampoo, treatments, towels, stuff like that. And then here is the washroom. So yeah, and this pretty picture I got from HomeSense. But yeah, it's like a full washroom. We have this little refrigerator with just like small stuff, drinks, whatever. And then when you walk in, like, this is the front display. Pariis Hair, honey. So this is the counter. So these are my like edge controls. This is like my bundle price list, if my camera would focus. With like my bundles. This is where like I sit. And like under here I have like color bowls with brushes and stuff. And then all my colors that I use I have down there. This is like a bin with like beads and strings and stuff. Over here I have like this basket with like most of like the tools and stuff that I use, like curling irons, crimpers, blow dryers, brushes, threads and stuff. This is where I keep like extra hair from like my clients. I try not to keep too much though. This is my foam head that I have like my pre-threaded needles on. And there's like this glass accent piece. It's like over a fireplace. Well, it is a part of the fireplace. We just covered it. And then I have my PariisHair sign. Then this is like my workstation. I work on this side. So this is like my salon chair. It's like white. It I hate that it like when you wear jeans on it, it like fades. Like it has like a blue fade on it. But this is my cart that I keep my stuff on. So I have braiding hair at the bottom. I have elastic bands, clips, and all that stuff. My water bottle, the mat for my irons. This is just the bin that I put what I'm using at the moment on. And then this is like another shelving on it. I have like my combs on that shelf. And if I open this drawer, this is where I have like most of my products that I use. So yeah. And then, yeah, this is the middle one. I got this bottle of champagne. I think it's champagne. From a friend of mine. Well, a good friend of mine brought it for me. These boxes I use for storage for like shower caps. And then some gloves. My friend also came up with this idea. And then this middle part, just have like some random products. I actually use this every day. I don't know why it's in here, but yeah. And then this section, my mom also works from here, so this is like her side. And she has like this cute vase. I'm pretty sure we got it from HomeSense. And then like a few of her products. And she has like a lot of random stuff, but that is her stuff. Old school, those, you know, those irons, honey. And then she has her razors. And then this section over here is the waiting area slash dryer section. So these two seats are for like extra company, people waiting. And then the TV is in the middle, and we have like 2 sets of curtains in the middle of it. And then yeah, normally there's water on here, but like candies, cups. And then this is like our drying area. Like I had to get these dryers, but yeah. These are our dryers, so our clients sit under there while they're drying. And yeah, this is my little cute setup at Pariis Hair. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What can I say? I'll be back with another one. Like, I'll be back with another one. I'll be back with another one.